Hi! In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this device. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll down to access Apps. Then select App Cloner and tap on one of your available apps that you wish to clone, in my case Facebook. Now click on this switcher next to Create App Clone. Wait couple of seconds and tap on Rename App Clone. Over here you can type in wherever you wish to. To save your new name, click on Save in the pop-up. You can also tap on When using quick functions and set up the best option from the available ones. In my case, open Main App. So now when I go back, as you can see, my Facebook was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete your cloned app, you can do that by holding it and selecting Uninstall, or going back into the same settings and tapping on blue switcher next to Create App Clone. Lastly, click on Delete in the pop-up to confirm your choice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!